Have you seen these insane photos and videos blowing up your feed? You know the ones where a super realistic 3D character is just chilling on a desk. Or maybe this one, where a hand literally reaches in, picks up a 3D model and brings it right up to the camera. It's that viral AI effect you've been seeing everywhere. Well, what if I told you that yes, you could create those exact same viral videos? And I'm not talking about just one. I'm talking about creating unlimited images and videos, all using the power of Google Gemini Nano Banana. The best part? This works on your computer and your phone. And stick around because I'm also going to show you a completely free way to do this. Alright, no more waiting. Let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is head over to Google Gemini. Once you're there, look for the Tools section and click on Create Image. Now, you need a picture of the character you want to turn into a figurine. For this first example, I'm going to use a classic Iron Man. I'll upload his picture. And now for the magic. You're going to paste in a special prompt. This prompt is the secret sauce. It tells Gemini exactly what to do. It describes creating a realistic figurine, placing it on a computer desk with a cool acrylic base, and even showing the 3D modeling process on a computer screen in the background. It's incredibly detailed. Now, don't worry about writing this all down. I've put this entire powerful prompt for you down in the description below so you can just copy and paste it. Once the prompt is in, hit generate. Give it a few moments to work its magic, and boom, just look at that. The result is absolutely incredible. To save it, just click the download button and it's saved right to your gallery. It's that easy. Let's do one more real quick, just to show you it wasn't a fluke. This time, I'll use a picture of Batman, same prompt, and wow, another perfect result. But what if you want to get even more creative? The best part about this prompt is that you can change it however you want. For example, I took that base prompt over to ChatGPT and simply asked it to add greenery and a fresh vibe. It instantly gave me a modified prompt. So let's go back to Gemini, but this time I'll use that new prompt with a photo of a real person to show you just how versatile this is. I'll upload the photo, paste in our new modified prompt, and check it out. A stunning personalized figurine with a whole new feel. The possibilities here are literally endless, so definitely experiment with it. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. If you're using the free version of Gemini, you might eventually hit a limit. But don't worry, I've got a pro tip for you. We're going to use a tool called Google AI Studio. Just search for it and open it up. The interface looks a little different, but the process is the same. Upload your image, paste, in the exact same prompt we used before. And this next part is super important. On the right hand side of the screen, you need to select the correct image model. It might be called something like Gemini Flash 2.5 Image Preview or whatever the latest image model is. Just make sure you've selected it. Now, click Generate, and in just a few seconds you get the same amazing high quality result. You can download it just the same. And with AI Studio, you can generate around 30 images here every single day for free, which is more than enough for creating tons of content. Okay, so you have the perfect image. How do we make it a viral video? Let's head back to Gemini. Go to the Tools section again, but this time select Create Video with VO. First, upload one of the awesome figurine images we just made. Now, you'll give it a simple prompt to bring it to life. Something like, a hand comes into the frame, picks up this figurine, and brings it closer to the camera. Hit send, wait just a little bit, and Gemini will generate a full HD video for you, complete with sound. You can download this straight to your gallery. You can also do this in AI Studio, but just be aware the video model there might be a little older, so the quality might not be quite as high, but the process is exactly the same. And it is really that simple. You now have all the skills you need to create your own viral 3D figurine photos and videos. We covered how to generate the images in Gemini, how to customize the prompts for a unique look, the completely free method using AI Studio, and finally, how to turn those static images into amazing animated videos. If this video helped you out, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button and hit subscribe. It truly helps the channel more than you know.